Hey everyone, what is up? So, a while ago I did that video where I did the headphone hanger with the 3D printer. And while I was thinking of concepts of like ideas to 3D print, I remembered that I have this drone here, the DJI Mini 2, which I've made a video about in the past. You can check it out in the link in the description below. But a while ago I made this little contraption that let me drop an egg from the drone. This was like a year ago, I believe, and I used a pen and some tape, and it was a very janky design. It worked, but it was janky and it had a lot of issues. But now that I have access to this 3D printer, which I did at the time, I just didn't really have the knowledge of designing and stuff like that. But now that I have access to that, I was thinking, why don't I design that contraption and then 3D print it? So that's what I'm doing today, and I thought you might want to join. Here we go. Okay, so I modeled the whole design here in Tinkercad, and this is what the final model looks like. So basically, the way that this works is this hangs upside down from the drone, just like so. And then you could see there's a slot right here. Right? Now, there's going to be a string with a knot on it, and that's going to slide up into that slot, right? Now, I have the drone here. Whenever this drone flies forwards or backwards, it kind of tilts like this. So gravity is going to let that rope slide whenever it moves out of the slot, and then drop whatever is attached to the rope. So, whenever I want to drop something, I just take the joystick and pull it back so the drone goes at a tilt, and then it'll drop whatever it is. And my final test, whenever I'm done with this, I'm going to be going up 1,000 feet and then dropping an egg. Yeah, it's going to be great. Okay, one thing, it's printing right now, and I just wanted to say, you might have realized that Mark Rober made his egg in space, or whatever the video is called. I just wanted to say, Mark Rober's a great guy, right? But I had this idea first. I honestly did. And I've been planning it for a while, but then I moved, and then I got here and I couldn't make it because my 3D printer was broken, and I ordered a new part for it, and I couldn't, the video kept getting delayed and delayed, but finally, here we are. I'm going to drop an egg from 1,000 feet. It's not as cool as dropping it from space, but I had the idea before Mark Rober. Or, I had the idea before he posted his video, at least. Alright, back to the video. Okay, check this out. So I have this strap. It's from like an old action camera I had, and it's actually perfect to go around the drone and fit through the holes that I made in the model and everything. The print is finished, and it gave me enough time to eat this Feastable, so yeah, let's see how it looks. Here it is. So I'm gonna get my scraper tool, pocket knife here. There we go. So you can see the print turned out pretty nice. Although there is a problem. As you can see, this band is too big for the holes. So I'm gonna try cutting this to make it a little bit thinner. Okay, I cut it and it fits through there, and that looks pretty clean. Okay, so I think everything is ready for the 1,000-foot egg drop. However, it's late right now, so I'm going to turn off the lights and go to bed, and I will see you in the morning when we do the egg drop. Peace. Oh, it's the next day. I've got this egg hanging on a string. Let's get outside. Right here, I'm going to head on up, and we're going to start going up 1,000 feet.
The low point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, right now we are up 300 and, we're up 400 feet now, and the egg is still holding pretty well. Geez, when this thing drops, they're gonna have to take cover. 900 feet. Bro, the view is crazy from up here. Our house looks like a tiny little speck. Okay, we're now at 1,000 feet. I'm gonna move forward a little bit, just like that. And I'm gonna drop it in 3, 2, 1, go. That's supposed to drop. Okay, so I'm gonna try that again. So I guess I could go forward. There we go. Okay, it dropped. Okay, take cover. Take cover. Take cover. Take cover. It landed over there.
You heard it?
Yeah, you didn't hear that? Look, there's leaves and stuff over there.
No,
I had done it. I had dropped an egg from 1,000 feet. Alright, that video was pretty tricky to make, so if you could, be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Peace.